today we got a new item from Harbor Freight. Yeah, we got a few new items here. We're at the Harbor Freight website. You guys can feel free to look at these harborfreight.com new items. Alright, the first new item that we have is the Chicago Electric Welding 240 volts. Well, first of all, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Alright. Yeah, the 240 volts inverter plasma cutter with digital display. If I'm not wrong, we used to have this before, or something similar to this, if I'm not mistaken. $669.99. That is the regular price. We need coupons for that. Next item we have is the Bauer 16 feet self-locking tape measure, $8.99, and then we have the 25 feet and 30 feet, so forth. Let's see if we can. All right, here's the tape measure here, the Bauer tape measure. It's another view. Looks pretty nice. Like that button on the top. It says Bauer lifetime guarantee or warranty. Easy push button blade return for smooth controlled retraction. Spring steel belt clip. Durable steel blade with protective nylon coating. Extra long life. Matte finish provides reduced glare. Tough thermoplastic rubber over mold case for better grip, increased impact resistance. Automatic blade lock, usually or easy for use. Blade instant. So I guess it's backwards. It's the other way around from a regular tape measure. So every time you pull it out, I guess, and it locks in place. And all you have to do is just push the button, and it'll just retract. Alright, the next new item that we have is the luminaire indoor. Maybe for a kitchen cabinet. I gotta try these out for my kitchen. Says 12 feet LED tape light. Does come with all adapters here and connectors. A remote control for the colors, I guess. That is the tape. Different colors. And that is the nice. It looks nice. I gotta try this out. Definitely gotta try this out. $24.99 for this. Gotta try it out on my new kitchen. Pittsburgh Automotive 3-ton heavy-duty floor jacks. We're rapid pump. We already started seeing these in the stores. So and I know that for a fact that they are discontinuing the other ones. Anyways, next item that we have is a universal radiator adapter, $59.99. Does come in the case. Nice. Next item that we have is the Hercules variable speed oscillating multi-tool kit. So this is corded. It's not battery. 20 volt. However, a 20 volt would be nice. Professional oscillating tool. This is $129, $199. Hercules. You have keyless blade change, easy access installation, powerful 3.5 motor with all metal gear construction, delivers 75% more power and maximum durability. Variable speed control, dial delivers 11 to 20,000 OPM. Established match speed application, LED light, so it does have an LED light. Vibration control design minimizes the amount of vibration. Soft start motor, industry leading 3.3 degrees oscillator. So I guess this one does, yeah, free accessories kit included. So it does come with the bag, it looks like, and some blades there. Looks pretty nice. Next thing we have is a 1250 lumens LED work light, or light with battery bank. Is that what it says? Yeah, 1250 lumen work light battery bank. So I guess it has a battery in there. It says impact resistant, rugged housing, stands up for worksite punishment, super bright white LED light, USB port, charge smartphones, tablets, cameras, and more. Kickstart base for easy positioning, rechargeable lithium ion, stays cooler, lasts longer, halogen bulbs, up to 5.5 hours of runtime, variable light modes, high and low. It says $29.99. So that's how the back looks. Yeah, it does have like a USB port you can charge. Seems to be the switch right there. Nice. That's the side view right there. Alright, the next item that we have another Braun light to add to the collection. It says 350 lumens rechargeable rugged work light. So I guess it does have a regular flashlight mode and a side mode. Okay, LED bar. Seems like we have some magnets at the bottom. Maybe an up and down, maybe get brighter. Or maybe on and off. Looks pretty nice. Just plus one more. I guess you can hang it up in the... And that is the specifics. Braun, lithium ion, 6 hours. 6 hours charge time. Material aluminum with rubber jacket. 1.09 pounds. 55 minute high. 11 hours on low. Battery is included. Magnetic. Okay. Product length 11 1/4. Product width 2 3/8. 350 lumens. Right, the next item we have is the Braun 4500 lumens dual head LED work light. So this is like your typical work light or work light station, tower, whatever you want to call it. But it is LED and it is foldable. This is Braun at the bottom. Guess you could even take it off from the tripod there. It is foldable, the tripod. That is the back. Nice. Then, I don't know if you guys know, but we do have the mechanics carts already in all colors. I don't know if you guys see my previous videos. I will be doing a shopping at Harbor Freight where we're going to be looking at these. I believe we already went over all these items. It's a half an inch, 18-inch professional, or half an inch by 18-inch professional air sander, $79.99. Looks like a nice sander there. Anyways, I just thought I wanted to share with this with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys in the next one.